Alright, what's going on? Welcome back to the channel. Thanks for joining with me. It's gonna be another EDC, kind of an EDC video, but not really. This time it's gonna be more kind of travel purpose, you know. We're gonna be talking about my 8 essential travel things that I take with me. Obviously, the products that I'm gonna show you guys or resonates with me, just matches to my personality. You don't have to buy every single thing that I talk about, but these are my recommendations that I think might benefits to your lifestyle. Alright, number 1 in the list is the packing cube. I have several different packing cubes, different brands. I mean, they all do the same thing. There's a misconception in the community. Using packing cubes reduces the bag weight. That has nothing to do with the weight of the bag. You're gonna carry the same weight. Packing cubes will help you to organize your clothing. Simply, that's it. Just to organize your clothing. So it's easy to find everything that you needed when you guys traveling. Easy accessibility. I highly recommend packing cubes when you guys traveling, especially if you have a family, you have baby clothes, you have your wife clothes and your clothes. To make everything simple, organized, to find everything easy and quick, these packing cubes are gonna help a lot. Makes your life easy. There's a lot of brands out there, you don't have to buy the same things. I find these sort of materials are really good and genuine build quality. So here's some of the packing cubes that I use. I have these white ones and then gray ones from different brands, and then again my favorites are these black packing cubes. I don't remember the brand, but their build quality is really good, and it comes with YYK zipper, so it's really strong on that end. And then also these packing cubes are compression too, so if you wanna pack a lot of clothes in one packing cube, you can also do that because this comes with compression. So that's a really nice way to do that too. I mean, can't complain about the packing cubes. Looks cool, build quality is top notch, and a lifesaver. Like I tell you guys, I highly recommend when you guys traveling, have those with you. Next, we're gonna be talking about my traveling backpack. So this time I'm taking a very different kind of backpack. Well, I do have a couple of backpacks with me. You probably have seen on my videos. If you have not, go check out the videos before. Well, this one is something special. A company called Brevity sent this to me for a collaboration video. Really appreciate that. But this one is for content creators and plus travelers. You can say that because got tons of capacity, tons of compartments, ergonomically designed for travelers and content creators. I'm a photographer, YouTuber, filmmaker, content creator, whatever you want to call it. So I need something efficient, something easily accessible to my gear that I'm taking, and then something really comfortable. So those are the things that I prioritize when I'm traveling. So the build quality is top notch. I had to tell you guys. Also have these YYK zippers. I talked a lot about them. And then in the back there's a you can slide your luggage handle, and then you know, you can put this on top of your luggage as well. So can't complain. There's tons of hidden pockets, I would say. First time I got this and I was trying to figure out, whoa, how many pockets they included into this. So it does make sense. You don't have to take out the whole backpack from the body. If you want to reach out to your camera gears or lenses, there's a side pocket that they have ergonomically installed, which is really great. That's what I like about this. So I don't like to have hassle when I'm traveling, you know. Yeah, so that's why I like about this backpack. Really nicely done. There's 2 front compartments here to put my SD card readers, batteries, chargers, whatever, and there's another compartment here that you can access to your camera gear. There's multiple compartments on top, tons of space. Again, there's hidden pockets inside the compartment, which is really great. And then of course you can put a laptop as well. All right, next in the lineup is my check-in luggage. I mean, I can call it as a duffel bag, or side bag, or a backpack. It's all in one kind of thing. So this one right here, so this is from Skechers. It's called a duffel bag. Yeah, talking about this will hold 23 kilos, no doubt. Really strong, build quality is really good, and water resistant as well. I like the material, I like the style of it, the colors. Has really stronger rollers here, and then comes with this handle so to move around in airports. And then, like I said, this has a shoulder strap if you want to put over your shoulders, and then also this can be used as a backpack. There's 2 shoulder straps, which is really great. Again, comes with YYK zippers. I'm a really fan of YYK zippers, and then multiple compartments. You can use it as a gym bag, traveling bag, whatever you want to call it. To be honest, I don't use this much, but for this trip I'm gonna be taking with me Talking about the style of the bag, I like the fact that they have this gigantic S logo in front of the bag. I like the color combination, orange and black. I'm liking this kind of color tones. And yeah, I can't complain about it. Like I said, I like the hooks. They are plastic, but they feel solid though. You know what? Hopefully it will do a good job, because I need a checking baggage for my baby's clothing and all of that stuff. So yeah, this will gonna help me. We are moving rapidly into the next item on the list. It's gonna be my tech travel pouch. I've showed you, I did a full video about this. I mean, you must have something like this. Highly recommended when you are a photographer, filmmaker, content creator, to organize all your tech devices. You must have this. So again, this one I bought it on Amazon. You don't need to buy the same exact thing. There's tons of other brands out there. You can check it out. I like the build quality of it. Again, it's water resistant, durability is good. Again, YYK zipper is there. And then yeah, multiple compartments. You can put your charging adapters and then cables, and then also micro SD cards, you know, whatever you want to call it. It's just super simple. I would highly recommend something like this to organize your life. Well, I had bad experiences traveling with when you have multiple gears and then you have to open up all of this stuff at the airport with TSA. So just to make everything easy for them to understand what we're doing, and then for you to make sure that you're carrying every single thing with you. I haven't done much traveling with this, maybe a few times. I'm taking on this trip, so let's see how it holds. This will go with my backpack bag as well. All right, next in the line is another travel pouch. This thing gonna be my travel toiletry bag. We're talking about organization, so let's organize your grooming kit. So I feel like this is must have in your bag when you are a traveler. Also, as a content creator, I like to look good in front of the camera, so I like to do all of my grooming before I come into the camera. I try my best to do that, so I need to have this whenever I travel. So has multiple compartments. Again, there's no YYK zippers, but that's not a deal breaker for me. Again, you can organize your grooming kit, your hair products, your facial products, whatever you have it. You can use this as a travel pouch. I mean, can't complain about the build quality. Again, it's water resistant. Durability is good. Hopefully it holds up really well. Well, I have used only multiple times for my Sri Lanka trip and a few other trips in Mexico and all. Yeah, you can find a lot of other similar brands out there. What I can recommend is this is definitely must have, especially when you're traveling airports. You know, you can get panic when you need to find that things that you needed. So they're gonna open up every single thing. So there you go, the pouch is there. They can open up and then put it back everything into this pouch. So just a quick tip, when you guys traveling and through TSA, you can only take, if you're taking liquid, you can take only up to 100 milliliters. You cannot take over, so just keep that in mind as well. So because of that, I like to have a travel pouch which means to put all of my stuff, my fragrances, liquid, hair products, all of that stuff in one pouch. So you can give it to them, they'll put it back, take it out, they'll put it back, everything, and then off you go. There you go. The life is simple. Specifically when you're traveling with babies, it's gonna be a hassle, so keep that in mind. All right, what's next on the list? It's this guy. So I'm gonna be taking this universal power adapter with me every single time when I'm travel. Let me show you guys how it works. I mean, when you're traveling internationally, any different countries, domestic airports, any place that you go, you're making sure that you have this with you, and then you'll be not lost, because you can charge your every single device, even including my power bank will be charged on this one, so you're not lost. It got 3 USB-C ports and then 1 USB-A. Absolutely top notch. Highly recommended to have this in your backpack. I mean, you can find some cheap adapters online. Just make sure you're going with some good ratings and buying something decent, because it's really helpful. This is going to be one of the most important things with me as a content creator, you know. And my next biggest favorite device that I always carry, always 100%, you need to have this if you are a content creator. Or you don't have to be a content creator, just a lifestyle. Let's say you're taking your cell phone to take photos and videos, so you need something to charge on the way traveling. I use this power bank. I'm rocking on this power bank for like an year now. This is from Anchor, and I recommend this. It's about 250 bucks, quite a bit money, but this will save your life. I can charge my cameras, my cell phones, my MacBook at the same time. This is a powerhouse. So you need to have a power bank. You don't have to get the same thing, but then again, you can find a lot of other brands. For Anchor specifically, I recommend this guy. You can charge all of the devices at one time. Last thing on the list is going to be my carry-on luggage. Talking about the carry-on luggage, guys, I don't think we can talk about traveling without a carry-on luggage. I mean, you can use this on air travel, on any road trips. It will fit on anything. So that's why I picked this thing. This is from Bentley. It is an aluminum luggage, as you can see. TSA approved. I like the combination locks. Pretty simple to open up the gates. Once you open, you'll see two compartments, obviously. But then I like the dividers that they have installed to this. So again, organization. We're talking about organization here. So there it is. And then multiple compartments. I can't complain about it. I like it. So it could be subjective when it comes to these items, right? It could be anything that you can have in your list, but for me, this one is a must, essential travel item in my package, you know. Here it is. That's all I have from this video. I have revealed my 8 travel essentials. I hope you guys like my recommendations, and also don't forget to comment down below your traveling essential, whatever you take with you. Please do let me know down in the comment below. I like to learn, I like to take a look, I like to see any new items that you guys have, suggestions. Also, thanks for joining with us. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Thanks for your support, much appreciated. Your support will help to grow this channel. Appreciate it. So keep watching Red Dot, and I will see you guys from my next video.